Right, so this channel was originally built on the basis of braids and of hairstyling. That is what I feel I'm good at. And I feel like I haven't done that in a while. So I thought it'd be good if we throw it back to the good old days. Here, I used to do this thing called Stella versus Pinterest. I pick a picture online, typically off of Pinterest, and I try to recreate it. Things on the internet are often a lot trickier than what they seem and sometimes a bit unrealistic, so that's what we're doing today. I had found this hairstyle January 28th because I screenshotted it. But basically it has 3 Dutch braids in the center, pulled back into kind of a high pony at the back with the braids still there. It looks exciting. I think this is actually off of Instagram. Yeah, I think this is off of Instagram, so I've never tried it, but it looks fun. I think she's wearing glasses, and if she did it on herself, I can understand why, because I can't see jack. Scheiße. I washed my hair 2 days ago, and it is looking like an oil spill on my hair. For dry shampoo, I'm actually going to be using my all-time fave TONI&GUY Volume Dry Shampoo. I'm gonna go for something that actually provides the volume. Shake it, shake it, shake it up. Shake it, shake it. I'm realizing how patchy my hair is. I'll dye it soon enough. I like to think that there's a heavy war going on between the oil particles and the shampoo particles. So apparently I'm going to have silver bits going on in my hair. So now that the dry shampoo kind of made our hair look more decent, it's time to get on with the sectioning. So there seems to be a triangle section just cut out on her hair. So we're gonna try that. Okay, nope. It looks like she literally has a triangle, so a straight line. Oh my god, look at this. Girl, I don't even know what looks like a triangle. Did it work? I'm going to just go ahead and say that I have formed my triangle because I am done. Ooh, okay, now comes the rest of the hard part, making the sections of the braids itself. All I have to do is just 2 parallel lines from here to the left. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this is gonna be my first section. TONI&GUY Wave Memorizer. I feel like for the braids to come in any way polished, I'm gonna need some form of like pomade or a gel or something. Even though it took like 27 hours to figure this out, this actually looks really freaking badass. So yeah, pretty simple Dutch braid all the way back, and I'm gonna do the same exact scenario on this side. I probably look ridiculous because, but these braids are insane and it's definitely worth the effort and time that you need. Okay, so I think the next part will be the actual, okay, how much does she have up? Or is it a ponytail? I don't know your way. 2. actually used a pretty bad rubber band for it, so I think I'm gonna actually... Ta-da! Okay, now to cover the rubber band, I'm actually using this fancy tool. Everyone keeps asking me. This thing is called a Topsy Tool. If you look it up on eBay, it's the thing that, you know, it's going to cover this thing. So I'm just inserting the tip into the rubber band. Now I'm going to pick a piece of hair that I think is kind of wide enough and then pull it through the big loop. I think it's going great so far, really. Now I'm going to quickly just curl everything because that's really, I think, what's left. TONI&GUY Heat Protection Mist, because I actually blow dry my hair twice, so this has seen the heat. Ideally put this on damp hair, not on dry, but... Hey, it's me, that chick from Instagram. Yes, it's me. No, I just changed my hair color. Oh my god, you guys can... when I tell you I'm living for this, I'm living for this. It's intricate, but it's soft, and it's kind of edgy, but it's also kind of cute. My eyes hurt from always looking at awkward angles. My hands are tired. My soul is damaged. But I am impressed and I'm proud and I am living for this. What is the verdict of this hairstyle? I think that it takes a lot of sweat and tears and it takes a bit of swearing, but I definitely think it's doable. So Stella versus Pinterest, I definitely think it's a pass. If I could do it, you can do it. Actually, that might not be true. I am a hairstylist. I'll put the link of the products I use down below. These are all TONI&GUY. I definitely think that they are a bit of a key when it comes to creating a hairstyle because they do make the hair a lot more manageable. So these are the ones that I use. You can check them out for yourself. I'm so tired. The process will be down in the description box below if you want to check it out. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go and I will see you in my next video.